The Mega Inline Solder Paste Stencil Printer from AMS is affordable, high precision, and fully automatic. This printer features an inline auto conveyor, an SMEMA interface, and high stability. Owners are impressed by the high alignment accuracy, Fiducial alignment, and high repeatability. The machine runs a Windows operating system, has a quick intuitive setup, and includes 2D paste inspection. Owners benefit from an intelligent squeegee system, a built-in pressure control system, and independent motor control. This impressive machine includes an underscreen cleaning system, is fully user programmable, and features wet, dry, and vacuum functions. The printer delivers high-quality printing, with printing accuracy of plus or minus 0.025 millimeters, and capability down to 0201. When you purchase the Mega Inline Solder Paste Printer from AMS, you'll have the reassurance of a full 12-month warranty, UK-based service and support, and both installation and training are included.